Hello guys! Welcome back again to my channel. So for this video, this is another tutorial on how to register in SPAS or mean Safe, Swift, and Smart Passage. So by the way, I posted a link on my description box. Just visit there and just click and ito na po yung lalabas sa screen nyo. So this tutorial is for those OFWs going home to province, especially their places are highly restricted areas that are needed SPAS. So, SPAS is also one of the requirements bago tayo makauwi sa ating mga lugar. Kasi, nung that time is, I don't know that Iloilo is required SPAS. Sa airport na lang kami nag-registered. And, nag-struggle kami. As in, 1.5 hour kami na stuck dun sa holding area kasi wala nga kaming SPAS. And, marami yung hindi nakauwi kasi wala nga SPAS na approval. So, yun siya. So, itatakal natin dito lahat and we will know kung anong mga highly restricted areas na kailangan ng SPAS. So, yung SPAS pala is hindi ka makapag-register mga ahead of time. So, makapag-register ka ng SPAS after na yung swab result mo is lumabas. That's the time you can register SPAS. So, what are the requirements? So, anyway, we will tackle what are the requirements sa SPAS kasi kailangan din natin ng requirements kasi kailangan din you have a representative or your parents or your husband na pumunta sa barangay hall para kumuha ng inyong barangay certificate. So anyway, we will go there, we will tackle one by one. So ito, member login kasi naka-login na kasi ako. So if you saw create account, just create account. Use your Philippine number. So di ba pagbaba natin sa airport, may mga SIM card dyan sa gilid-gilid. We need to buy a SIM card kasi yun yung i-register natin dito. Kasi yung Saudi SIM card natin or any SIM card, kung man yan, hindi pwede dito. So, yung Philippine SIM card lang talaga yung pwede. So, dapat bumili kayo sa airport pa lang. So, after nyo na mag-create ng account, magaganyan niya siya. So, are you traveling? So, in here, click here to check requirements. You will check the requirements sa kung anong mga kailangan natin para mag-apply ng SPAS. So, ito, travel protocol. Are you a POR? So, no, because we are OFW. Are you an E-CIF or MECQ area? No, kasi galing nga tayong abroad. What is your current location? So, kung saan man kayo na-quarantine, sa Manila man or what, ilagay nyo lang dyan. Example, ako is Manila. Ayan. No. And then, where are you going? So, saan kayo uuwi? Diba? Kasi dito, nilagay ko sa what is your current location. Kasi sa airport na kasi ako nakapag-register. Kasi hindi ko nga alam na may SPAS pala pa uwi ng Iloilo. So, where are you going? Ilagay nyo lang kung saan kayong lugar. Then, mag-a-appear na yan. Ayan, Iloilo City, restricted. So, yan. You need to apply for travel coordination permit. Please check the requirements of your destination LGU. So, ito siya. Depende ha kung anong lugar nyo. So, follow nyo yung mga requirements ng lugar nyo. So, this one is for my province, Iloilo City. So, for OFWs like me or returning OFWs, yung kailangan lang nila is Bureau of Quarantine Certificate and latest RT-PCR test. So, yung Bureau Certificate is after nating lumabas sa hotel quarantine natin, yung OWA is nagbibigay sa atin ng Bureau of Quarantine Certificate, which is ito. Yung pinakita ko dyan. And then, latest RT-PCR result. So, di ba nag-swab test tayo for the 7th day natin? So, yan yung ipapakita natin. And then, kung hindi na-send sa email nyo pala yan, is picturean nyo ha, kasi we will do a collage on that, kasi dun din ako natagalan. So, after that, ito yung second, yung number 2, pwede nyo to yung barangay certificate, residency from your barangay. Pwede nyo ito mahingi 1 week or 2 weeks before ng flight nyo. Remember, pwede nyo itong mahingi 1 week or 2 weeks or 3 days, 5 days, or even you are in your quarantine hotel, pwede nyo mahingi ito. So, ito lang yung nahingi ko sa amin nung habang naka-quarantine ako kasi hindi ko talaga alam kung na may meron pala yan. So, yung barangay certificate nyo dapat naka-indicate na ikaw is home quarantine or hotel quarantine, or yung facility quarantine. So for me, yung barangay kasi nagpunta sa amin, chinek kung pwede ba kami or applicable ba yung place namin for home quarantine. So yung bahay namin is applicable for home quarantine kasi wala ngang tao doon, as in kami lang doon, and vacant siya, so they check home quarantine. Ito yung barangay certificate. So kailangan yan ha, kasi pagbaba sa airport, titignan yan kung home quarantine ka ba or hotel quarantine. Kasi kung hotel quarantine ka, hahanapan ka ng LGU pagdating nyo sa lugar nyo kung ano yung hotel quarantine nyo kasi mo monitor kayo. If you are home quarantine, yung barangay naman yung magmo-monitor sa inyo for 4 days. So, barangay certificate, picturean nyo lang or scan nyo. And then, ito yung sinasabi ko, number 3. If staying in hotel, please provide proof of booking from accredited hotels that are accept guests for quarantine along with your barangay certificate. So, ito yung number 3. If hindi ka inallow na mag-home quarantine and if your house are not applicable for home quarantine and kapag may pera ka, edi mag-hotel ka. Pero there is free naman, like facility quarantine lang for the government. So, kung gusto mo lang doon, so doon ka lang doon, doon ka lang. And then, ito lang yung mga kailangan, ha? Just remember, ito po ulit-ulit ko, barangay certificate, okay? Barangay certificate, you can get that ahead of time. And then, basahin nyo na lang yung protocol dito, ha? Now, may bagong protocol na po yung Iloilo kasi umuwi po ako is last May. And I am allowed to have a home quarantine. So, dito ngayon is Iloilo is on GCQ and our mayor is, alam mo naman si Mayor Advance mag-isip. So, eto ngayon, basahin nyo lalo yung mga instruction ng lugar nyo, ha? So, ito, for OFWs and RFWs, will undergo either hotel quarantine or government quarantine and home quarantine is no longer allowed. So, hindi na po tayo i-allow ng home quarantine. So, better book your hotel or if you want na makalibre kayo, there is a government quarantine. So, yung government quarantine is mostly yung mga public schools, dun yung mga government quarantine. So, if you have extra money, you can go for hotel quarantine. And then, di ba 14 days tayo mag-stay. Di ba nag-stay na tayo sa Manila? Then, another 4 days in our province. So, in Iloilo, it's different. So, on our 5th day, that's the time na i-swab tayo. So, depende yun sa lugar nyo. Basahin nyo lang, ha? So, yun lang. Then, basahin nyo na lang ito lahat. I will not tackle this one kasi iba-iba naman yung mga policy ng mga kanya-kanyang lugar. So, in here, LGU Travel Policy Table, dito natin malalaman kung ang lugar nyo is restricted or kailangan ng S-Pass. Kasi there are places na even it's not restricted, they need S-Pass. So, in here, mag-scroll down lang sa baba and you can see your place here. Kung hindi nyo naman nakita, pwede nyo i-type dito. Then, si-search nyo lang. So, for example, ito ha, ano bang ito? Agusan del Sur, 'di ba nakita nyo unrestricted pero kailangan pa rin ng S-Pass. So kailangan natin maggawa ng S-Pass. Kagaya ng Abra, restricted and S-Pass. Yes. Yung sa Albay naman, unrestricted siya but no need for using S-Pass. So kaya tingnan natin mabuti yung lugar nyo. You should be careful kung ano talaga, kung kailangan or hindi. So itatype ko yung Iloilo City to be sure na I need an S-Pass. So, ito, Iloilo City, and this one, may S-Pass talaga to, hindi lang makita ng cellphone ko. Then, this one na, if you're done already, ito, kung wala ka pang account, just create an account here. Yan, yung sabi ko sa inyo. Yan yung sabi ko sa inyo, pagbaba ng airport, may nagbebenta ng mga SIM card dyan. Kailangan natin ng SIM card na galing Pilipinas, then we will register. So anyway, I will not proceed here. Kayo na lang mag-continue ng registration nyo. Once na na-register na kayo, same lang naman yon. And then after na na-register nyo, and alam nyo ng mga requirements nyo, mag-login na po tayo dito. So mag-login lang po muna ako. Then, after na nag-login kayo, so ito na yung lalabas. Yan na yung lalabas. Sorry ha, mahina kasi yung wifi ko. So, anyway, ito yung kiklik natin. Are you traveling? Yan. So, yan yung ifa-follow natin step by step. So, are you an APOR? We will press no kasi tayo ay OFW. Are you in ECQ or MECQ area? So, ibig sabihin, hindi tayo magkiklik dito kasi galing tayong abroad. So, wala. So, what is your current place location? So, ilalagay ko lang is yung example sa Pasay. Kasi sa airport na kasi ako nung register. And then, where are you going? So, you check your place, ha? You find your place. Yan. So, yan. So, you need to apply for travel coordination permit. Please check the requirements of your destination LGU. So, if you're done na, then we will click apply for travel coordination permit. Then, TCP and TPP form. So, i-complete lang natin ito lahat. So, tayo is OFW. So, ito, OFWs. Then, personal name lang natin, lagay natin. So, complete anyway. And then, your emergency contact person. So, parents nyo, ilagay nyo, pwede nyo ilagay yung parents nyo dan. So, yung number na lagay nyo dyan is yung number din ng parents nyo, ha? Or asawa nyo sa Pilipinas. Date of departure. For example, lagay ko lang yung date of departure ko. Ano ba ngayon? Lagay natin 23. Date of arrival, 23. So, sa region, but hindi. So, ayan. Iko-complete ko lang yung details ko dito. Yung address ko. And then, mode of transportation. So, we are by air. Kasi nag-airplane tayo. Then, yung flight details. Lagay lang natin kung ano yung flight details. Yung type or public, private, government. So, we are public. Then, just press I'm not a robot. I will clarify ha, sa travel details, baka mag-question kayo regarding sa date na nilalagay nyo kasi wala pa tayong ticket. That's why, nag-register na lang ako ng aking S-Pass is doon na ako sa airport the day that we will receive the ticket. So, yan siya. Kasi kung hindi mo siya marireceive, kung na-register mo is ibang date, need mo pa rin mag-request ng bagong date ng travel pass mo, yung S-Pass mo. So, kasi everyday nila tong chine-check and everyday minamonitor ng LG natin kung ilan ang umuwi. So, after that, we will just complete all the details. Then, we will just proceed. So, ito na. Once na click nyo na yung proceed, we will proceed to step 3, which is we will upload our attachment. So, here, you check nyo dito mabuti ha, kung tama yung spelling ng pangalan nyo, yung address, yung departure date nyo, check nyo mabuti kasi tinitignan talaga nila yan. So, government ID issued, if passport, yung passport ID nyo, lagay nyo lang. And then upload a photo of the ID. So, yung passport natin is i-check natin, i-upload natin yung passport natin dito. Choose a file. So, yun lang, no? And then, RT test and test result. Choose file. So, ito, yung ibig kong sabihin is yung RT-PCR test result is kailangan natin i-collage. So, i-collage natin yung BQC natin and then yung barangay certificate natin. So, yun yung i-collage natin. So, ito siya, kagaya nito. And then, we will choose file, then we will upload. Then, other documents, kagaya ng Bureau of Quarantine natin. And then, I am not a robot. And then, we will just press submit. So, once na-submit na natin, maghintay. So, once na-pass na natin yung mga requirements, maghihintay lang tayo ng 5 to 10 minutes bago ma-receive yung approval natin na kagaya nito. And then, we will screenshot. For example, is may lumabas sa inyo na kulay yellow na pending. Ibig sabihin, chine-check pa nung mga LGU personnel kung tama ba yung mga pinas mo na papers. Kasi kung mali, magsisend sa'yo, mag-appear sa'yo dito is rejected. So, ibig sabihin, rejected, yung pinasa mong papel is mali-mali. Example, mali yung pinagsama mo na Bureau of Quarantine, mga ganun-ganun ba? Tsaka, hindi natutugma yung result mo, tsaka sa flight number mo, or yung swab result mo is expire na, di ba 3 days before ka nang magbiyahe sa Iloilo is magdagpaswab ka na. So, chine-check nila yan. So, once na example, paulit-ulit ka na lang ni-reject tsaka pending ng pending, doon sa may airport na sinasabi ko sa unang video ko na may mga LGU personnel tsaka OWA personnel doon, mag-contact kayo doon, mag-coordinate kayo doon kasi tutulungan kayo nila. Sila yung tatawag sa LGU natin kung pending tayo ng pending, kasi for example, hindi tayo nakakapag-register, sila yung magko-coordinate doon, then bibigay sila ata ng permission or letter through your email na tayo is ina-allow na umuwi. Kasi yung iba, karamihan, ganun yung ginagawa na hindi sila nakapag-register. It's because pending ng pending, hindi ma-register sa computer. And this is what happened to us. Ilang beses kami try, and then we call our LGU kung ano ba ang problema, and they explain na mali pala yung paper na pinasa namin. So nagtry kami ulit na magpasa ulit, yun yung ginawa naming collage, then we uploaded, and then after a while, mga 5 minutes, we wait for our QR result, QR code, and ito na yung nag-appear, yung approve. So, isi-screenshot lang natin to, and ito yung papakita natin sa airport, kasi every airport inahanapan tayo ng ganito. So, yun lang guys. So, if you have any questions or hindi kayo nakaintindi ng sinasabi ko, and pasensya na kasi utal-utal. So, if you have any questions, you are feel free to comment on my comment section, and I will try my very best to answer all your questions sa lahat ng alam ko lang. Kasi kung hindi ko naman alam, nagsasabi naman ako. So, just feel free to comment and ask questions. And thank you so much for watching my videos. Have a safe trip, enjoy, and God bless.